Okay guys, room tour. We got the closet here. Oh yeah, we're in Kyoto right now, by the way. We got the closet, we got the bathroom, the sink area where we wash our hands in. This is the toilet. And then this is the shower, which is pretty nice. Very similar to the other one. And it's over here. And then, yeah, that's basically the room tour. We are in Kyoto, and we're at a temple right now. It's all over too.
誰かの想いが立ち上るにわか雨が街を濡らし始めた行方傘を持たない女の子その黒髪濡らしどこへ行く橋の
You want to talk, you want to go play. No beer, no life. No beer, no life. this isn't Tenryuji. Oh no, no, sorry. This is.
座り込んで僕は何に思いを馳せよう一人きり凍ったままさお茶の水でもそのまま喉に流し込もうガラス越し
No, it's a deer. Yeah. He's so cute. I just gotta eat his ass. I am the alpha male. So cute.
It's got big feet for a newborn.
Dude, they fast. They swim fast. What the heck? Where'd it go? Okay guys, so we're in the new Mazu house right now. 8:05 p.m. right now. Yeah, we made it to New Mazu, and I'll be doing a house tour right now. So this right here is the living room. We got like a nice table here that you could sit on for the movie, for the projector that's projector sheets that's going down. Got a kitchen over here, you know, stove. Bought some snacks at this local 7-Eleven. And then just got like a bunch of dishes and stuff like that here. Then we got the fridge. Got some water and then some vegetables. Evan's trying to figure out the movie situation right now. Hi guys. Over here we have a computer desk for, I don't know, I'll probably end up editing some photos over here with a nice view outside. You can't really see it because it's nighttime, but over here you got a nice chilling area for TV and stuff like that. Go downstairs. Behind that projector there's a balcony as well, overlooking the ocean. And then over here you could obviously see the oceans out there. And then we got bedroom over here, and then bathroom and shower over here. Another bathroom, the toilet, and then garage is in there. gonna go put these back and then I will see you guys back here. Heaven's over there. No, I guess not. Red gate. Right there. Fuji is all the way over there. I think, but we can't see it because the clouds are too high. But see this. Probably go a little bit farther. Turn and go a little bit further down that way. I wonder what Maz is like though, I'm not gonna lie. This is beautiful. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I wonder what those are from. They're tied to a rope. See all the mountains. Oh, Fuji is somewhere over there. Let's see, the water is clear. Heaven. Got another Oji-chan over there.